What is up, YouTube, collective, Soul Tribe family? Welcome back to the channel where the goal is to become more balanced within. My name is Jamon Grant and I am solely known. Please take only what messages resonate and leave the rest behind. Remember that this is a general reading, so not every message may resonate. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you enjoy the vibe. Other than that, I hope you're all having a great day. I hope you're feeling blessed. Know that you are blessed. I hope you're feeling loved and know that you are loved. I hope that you've been able to get outside in nature today, get some fresh air, and just to connect with Mother Earth and all the symbolism and messages that are available to us through the animals, the insects, the plants, the trees. If you would like to donate to the channel or check out my online clothing store or reach out and contact me, I'll leave all the information for that in the description box below as well. And before we begin, I'd like to start off with a quick prayer. At this time, I call upon the Most High, the Divine Mother, the Holy Spirit, the Archangels, the ancestors of the highest white light of the Divine, and the ascended masters of the highest white light of the Divine. I ask for you to help me to channel this message with the greatest and highest energetic vibrational frequency and energy for the greatest good of all, to receive the confirmations that they need at this time that their soul already knows. I ask for you to close the door to any negativity, any negative energies and spirits, any deception, and to help me to channel this message in truth and clarity in the way that it is most easily understood for all who are viewing and watching. Thank you. Alright, so we're going to be starting off with the Healing Heart Oracle, Love Letters to Your Soul, and we'll see what is going on. Again, remember these messages are only to provide you with the confirmations that your soul already knows, not to tell you how to live your life. Make sure that you are in tune with yourself and getting the confirmation for which parts of the message are for you. I was meditating before this and I was getting the energy 2:22 on the clock. But I was getting into energy of expansion. I heard the song lyric from a John Mayer song. I think it's called Bigger Than My Body. It's like, because I'm bitter than my body gives me credit for. And so I'm feeling with that expansion energy, some of you are increasing in your awareness as well as just knowledge, as well as just a rise in the energy as well. Like, an expansion that feels maybe out of body for some, while you are still in this like state of stillness and getting like peace. Alright, this time please, Holy Spirit, what is the main energetic focus of what is being healed in the collective, or what needs to be healed? Alrighty, we've got card number 36 with Forgiving Heart. It says, don't let the past imprison you in the present. And then we've got card number 18 with Adventurous Heart. It says, set sail on a trip of a lifetime. Now I'm being drawn back to that expansion energy. It feels like a lot of you have maybe healed from some past traumas, some past emotional triggers, just past situations in general, in a way that you are now expanding into a new cycle, a new season, setting sail on the trip of a lifetime, the next phase in your spiritual path and journey, this growth, this evolution, blooming in some new ways, some new directions. Increased passions, new passions. This feels like hope. This also feels like action being taken towards different plans, maybe desires, progress being made. Like a veil is lifting. Seeing new opportunities as well as gaining new outlooks, a deeper connection to your intuitions at this time as well. This golden energy. Some of you may be connecting more with the sun at this time, like doing sun gazing, as well as just like absorbing the energy of the sun through your body to allow for more DNA upgrades, more light code activations, things of that nature. This feels like increased happiness for some as well. Just like new energy. Freedom from past things, maybe old mindsets. Alrighty. Holy Spirit, what is marriage active focus? Alright, we got card number 30 with Reinventing Heart. It says, get to know yourself anew. I'm getting, some of you have been doing some shadow work in which you have brought light to different past aspects of your shadow and integrated those in a more healed way. Seeing this as a more whole heart. Getting to know yourself anew. Those parts that have maybe surfaced from the new moon energy, or that you've been releasing with like the past, the full moon energy. But not necessarily releasing, but like releasing the traumas and the emotional baggage tied to them. Integrating these healed aspects of yourselves into yourself anew, which in turn like brings more color to the way that you're able to see outlooks in like different situations in life. And then the next card we have is card number 7 with Curious Heart. Embark on a great adventure. 717 on the clock, you may want to look that up. And this is card number 7 here. So 7s and 1s could be significant. And this is great energy. Something exciting coming. Either that or you're already stepping into this new exciting cycle, this new exciting season. You're already starting to see different opportunities manifest in your lives. Different ways that you're increasing self-love, healing, like within yourself with this shadow work. Some of you, this is embarking deeper on an emotional level with getting to know yourself, with connecting to your higher selves, with God, the divine source. So for some, this could be the beginning of like a spiritual journey, or stepping into a deeper level of that. One in which you're going to see increased happiness in different ways. I'm also seeing simplicity, like just emotional fulfillment within how you live your own lives. Continuing to move forward in hope and taking actions to bring your manifestations, your blessings, your prayers into your lives. The energetic focus of what is being healed and what has been healed for the collective. Alright, we've got card number 9 with Deep Heart. It says, believe in divine destiny. Seeing if anyone was going through a time of maybe feeling any sort of like emptiness emotionally, in any way really, that heart right here is being filled with the colors of the water here, as well as the colors from this heart through that shadow work, refilling one's own cup. This is love from your spiritual team as well, the angels, the ascended masters, from God, from Mother Divine. Love from yourselves as well as love from others. I'm looking at the 3 hearts in the water here, and I see it as like 3 of cups. Like maybe some of you are celebrating with others at this time. You're going to be walking into new connections in which you're going to be celebrating with people. Maybe this is just celebrating with the people that are currently in your life. For some, I'm getting like a resolution within a connection. It could be romantically, it could be family, friends, business. I'm seeing that with the don't let the past imprison you in the present card here. Some of you, this could be like forming some sort of like support team, or connecting more with your support team, like the people that you rely on in your lives who maybe rely on you as well. Again, this could be friends, family, romantically, business. I'm seeing that for some as being part of this embark on this next great adventure. Seeing this as freeing of the mind as well. Trust in your divine plan, like in your soul's timing and the unfolding of it. Aligning in your own timings. Going through the growth, evolution, expansion, and the divine timing of your own soul's process. What is the main energetic focus of what has been healed and what is being healed for the collective, please? That's too many. I think I should take those. Alrighty, we have card number 1 with Hurt Heart. It says, I see you. For some, I'm seeing this is what's being healed, like any past hurts through this reinventing heart, getting to know yourself, a new card. Seeing yourselves more clearly, allowing yourselves to be seen more as well. Maybe something from the past that left some maybe feeling unseen. With this first card here, don't let the past imprison you in the present. Again, I'm getting more healing from past situations, or you've already healed from past situations, and now you are stepping more into this new adventure. Through the process, it has allowed you to see things with more hope, more clarity of your own path. Provided you with a higher perspective of the direction in which you want to go. Oh. Alright, last card please, Holy Spirit. Alrighty, we got 2. The first card is card number 29, Prospering Heart. It says, look for beauty and abundance and generosity. And then the last card, the extra card, is card number 12, Resilient Heart. It's time to rebuild. So again, for some of you at this time, you could be taking action on new pursuits, new passions. Just going through the change that you've been building towards with the lessons that you've learned from past cycles as you enter into new seasons of prosperity. And getting spiritual abundance. This could also be financially for some. This could also be like a renewal of mind, abundance and ideas. Getting charity of some kind for some. The name charity could be relevant. I'm getting celebration energy though from this prospering heart card. Somebody could be winning something soon, or you recently won something. I'm also getting a very protected higher chakra frequency, like very protected third eye. I'm looking at the third eye on this prospering heart card, and it kind of looks like a shield over it. A very strong intuition, a deeper connection to your discernment and intuition, your crown chakra. Getting deeper awakening. This looks like a pine cone on the top of this crown here, and it's different colors. It's got gold, green, blue. I'm also getting an expansion of the heart chakra. Seeing the beauty and abundance within oneself through any past pain or hurts. Allowing for that to nourish you at this time to help you to continue to heal and move forward from those things. Could be seeing orbs at this time. Signs that your spiritual team is around you. Even though at this time the Most High, the Divine, is helping you to rebuild at this time for some of you. You're co-creating with the Divine as you continue to build in your own lives. Building a deeper connection with the Divine. Allowing for love to guide you for some. To guide you further along your divine path. Alrighty. Feeling guided to get into the transformation now. And for some, through the process of shadow work, it's going to help you to release anything from the past that's causing you to feel imprisoned in the present. It's going to help you to open a new chapter in your lives, which is going to bring more harmony, more balance, more joy as well. I'm finding joy in the little things. Value in the present for what you already have, creating more room for new blessings to come. To see that every day is an adventure. Every day we wake up, life presents us with new experiences, new adventures, new ways to grow and heal, new ways to excel, to increase our inner strength and our inner wisdom and knowledge, our connection with the divine. Got a celebration here on the split. Alrighty, Holy Spirit. This is the main energetic focus, just 2112 on the clock, 2112. You may want to look up that angel number. I'm also getting divinely ordained like counterparts as well as soul tribe family. Reflective mirrors energy, twin souls, like twin flame. What is the main energetic focus of the transformation for the collectives? Continue to heal and transform. It's too many cards. Too many cards to start, but the first three cards here are Prayer of the Water Element, Direction, card number 2 of the Air Element, and card number 7 of the Earth Element, Recycle. So again, for some you may be looking for more clarity, or you may be getting resolutions to some things that you maybe had confusion about, which will give you a better sense of direction how you're moving forward in new seasons. Which will lead you more to some of the new cycles and experiences that the divine is creating for you. I'm getting to stay grounded at this time though. Alright. What is the main energetic focus of the transformation for the collective? Alrighty. Got card number 10 here of the Air Element with Wisdom. This comes out right above the Don't Let the Past Imprison You in the Present. For some, I'm getting moving forward into this new season with the added wisdom that you've integrated from these past cycles and inner strength. This person's holding a flaming sword here. It's like a stronger inner truth. I'm getting inner fortitude, resilience. What is the main energetic focus of the transformation for the collective as they continue to heal? We got card number 3 of the Air Element with Receptivity. So being receptive to receiving wisdom in new ways, in ways in which you won't expect. Being receptive to the divine, to your inner guidance and wisdom that is being relayed to you in the messages and downloads that you receive. I'm getting aromatherapy for some, as well as singing bowls. Maybe working with like lavender oils for some of you. Alright. What is the main energetic focus of the transformation for the collective as they continue to heal, please? Alright. We've got Trickster in reverse, card number 1 of the Air Element. And then we've got card number 5 of the earth element with rest. Being receptive to the truth of situations, people, places, and things around you. Knowing that not everything that glitters is gold. Some you could have received some wisdom in regards to different situations. Maybe things that you put a rest to. Like cycles of the past that have come to a close and end. Leading you forward into more healthy seasons. New cycles. New abundance. What is the main energetic focus of the transformation for the collective as they continue to heal, please? What is the main energetic focus of the transformation for the collective as they continue to heal? We got card number 7 of the air element with immigration. For some, I'm getting this is a shift in mindset. Also, an integration and healing of shadow aspects with the trickster in reverse and the rest and the immigration card here with the kind of like the black and white, the shadow aspect, and then the colorful version. Again, I'm also getting that shift in mindsets. Maybe old ways of thinking and doing things into newer, more aligning ways. Through the process of being receptive to the wisdom, through shadow work. I had the deck flipped over upside down, but on the bottom of the deck here we have Ascent, which is leading further into your spiritual ascension along your spiritual path. Person standing on like amethyst, standing on that wisdom, that truth and clarity that you've been receptive to from the divine, from your higher selves. Standing above the smoke, above confusion. Just had some cars trying to fly away. Some I'm getting through this setting sail on the trip of a lifetime and this embark on a great adventure. This is moving away from people, places, and things that no longer aligned with you in this new season that you're entering into. Moving away from past things with this immigration card. Putting your rest to those situations. And moving forward with the wisdom and clarity that you've gained through them. Alright, Holy Spirit, what is the main energetic focus of the transformation for the collective as they continue to heal, please? Got recycle card number 7 of the earth element. The last two cards were card number 7. The number 77 could be relevant. You could see a lot of repeating 7s, 777. Alright, and then the next card we have is card number 8 of the air element with integration. So again, there's a lot of air energy out here, a lot of like mental energy. So I'm getting, with this integration card, kind of what we were talking about before, is integrating the healed shadow aspects into a more whole and complete version of yourselves. An integration and balancing of the masculine and the feminine energy. Getting an ending of old painful cycles. Some of you could be working on positive affirmations, integrating those mental thought patterns into your body, into your mind, into the subconscious. Alright. Alright, now we're going to get into the ascension aspect of the oracle. Getting a solid foundation energy. Building internally. Externally as well for some of you. Like through the internal work, creating outer change. Reflections in the life around you. Last shuffle, and then we'll get into it. 3322 on the clock. You may want to look up that angel number. Alright, Holy Spirit. What is the main energetic focus of the ascension for the collective? What is the main energetic focus of the That was intense. 3344 on the clock. What is the main energetic focus of the ascension for the collective as they continue to heal and transform? Card number 33 with Rise Above, 3355 on the clock. So you may want to look up angel number 335533. Rising into a higher timeline and frequency and energy with this wisdom that you've gained. This deep-seated wisdom that is within you. Tapping into it from an open heart space. Rising above the daily challenges and obstacles. And knowing that in every situation there's wisdom that can be gained and unlocked. What is the main energetic focus of the ascension for the collective as they continue to heal and transform? What is the main energetic focus? Oh, wow. Card number 8, foundations. So we were just talking about foundations. A stronger inner foundation. A stronger connection and foundation with the divine as well. You're heavily spiritually watched and protected at this time. This person's in like a prayer pose. This kind of looks like a whole lot of eyes around him. I'm also seeing this as a very, very strong third eye and crown chakra, very magnetic. To be able to attract the manifestations and things you've been setting intentions for, praying for. Getting strong solar plexus and sacral chakra energy. A strong connection to your root chakra. Groundedness allowing you to connect better and more balanced with those higher frequencies and chakras. Kind of looks like there's a diamond on this person's crown. This is divine inspiration. For some of you, again, this is new ideas. Alright. What is the main energetic focus of the ascension for the collective? Alrighty. We've got card number 27 with infinite abundance. More of that strong solar plexus energy to be able to manifest, to attract abundance in different ways. Spiritually, mentally, physically, financially, emotionally. Getting emotional fulfillment. Card number 25, support. Emotional fulfillment coming from the divine, from the people you consider a support team. Helping to create that within others as well. Some of you are a strong sense of support for others. You help others tap into a stronger sense of foundation within themselves and to help them rise above different things that they might face in life, and to see more abundance within themselves as well. To see the inner power and beauty that's within everybody, that lies within themselves, within ourselves, within yourself. Some I'm getting being grateful and like counting the blessings in your life. Maybe a gratitude list. Alright, what is the main energetic focus of the ascension for the collective as they continue to heal and transform, please? Alright, we've got card number 1 with breathe. And then we've got card number 30 with ascension symptoms. So finding time for that inner sense of peace and groundedness. Meditation for some, yoga for others, maybe dancing for some, writing, expressing yourselves, creating art. Appreciating the art that is your own lives. Just staying grounded through this ascension you're going through this expansion. providing support as whoa. Hold on. Alrighty. I got the cars back that blew away. We can continue. Don't remember what I was just saying, but I'm getting divine support as you continue to manifest and co-create. As you continue to work with the divine. To create infinite abundance within. Alright, last card, please. What is the main energetic focus of the ascension for the collective as they continue to heal and transform, please? Alrighty, so we've got 2. We've got Heart Flower, card number 9. And then we've got card number 2, which is Change. New changes, ways in which you'll be expanding in this new season and cycle. Getting to forever keep expanding and changing and growing and evolving. Continuing to rise above everything throughout life. In your spiritual growth. And through the process, always finding new ways to see beauty in just everyday situations. And the ways to gain wisdom and to integrate different lessons. Allowing yourselves to flow with ease as much as possible. This breathe card, breathing through the process. Moving energetically, more efficiently, with ease, with peace, freedom, the freedom to grow. To continue to get to know yourself over and over again. To continue to expand in different ways. Every day is a new adventure. It's a new trip. And we keep growing and adding upon the trips that we've already experienced throughout life. Continue to bloom. Alright, with that, that's where I'm being guided to end this reading. I hope that it resonated. Please take only what messages do resonate and leave the rest behind. Please like, comment, share, subscribe if you enjoyed the vibe. I hope that you continue to have a great day, that you continue to feel loved and know that you're loved, to continue to feel blessed and know that you are blessed. Continue to connect with Mother Nature, with the animals, the insects, the plants, the trees that have messages and symbolism that are provided to us by the Most High, the Divine, by Mother Earth. Other than that, I'll talk to y'all in the next video. Love you. Peace.